Hi there guys, welcome to another reaction video. Today we're checking out a song by Prince called The Bird. Today's video has been suggested on my Patreon. Ben, thank you so much, Ben, for this. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Ooh, groovy. Electrifying. Stage. Okay, what an entrance!
Y'all got about 10 seconds to get to the dance floor. Horn, hit it. Are you ready? Somebody come on this stage and dance with me. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
America, have you heard? We got a brand new dance, and it's called the bird. You don't need no Vanessa, no personality. Under the attitude, everybody sing with me. Come on. Hallelujah. Oh, I can't see y'all. Come on. Hallelujah. Brothers, don't be cool. Women like it sometimes. When y'all be careful. Sisters, don't be shy. Let your body
Oh,
get
this is
loose.
nice.
You know what to do. Fly, sugar. Hallelujah. Come on. Hallelujah. All right. Y'all know what I'm talking about now? Here we go. Here we go. Everybody dance. Wait a minute. Everybody dance. Hey. Come on. Good God Almighty. Turn the keyboards up. Way up.
This is
Come
nice.
on.
Woo!
All right. Hey. Good God. Hey. Nothing but a party in here. Whoa. Hey, now. All right. Now listen. Before we get out of here, here's what I want you to do. Everybody, scream.
Woo! Oh no, that was brief. Oh no, how is it already 4 minutes? That was short. This cannot be the entire video. No way. Wow. The bird, that was so nice. I mean, allowing those people up on the stage to dance with him and just enjoy that moment. This was so beautiful to watch. I bet those people had so much fun. I've not listened to a lot of music from Prince, but I believe he's late now. How sad. Rest in peace to this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful soul. Honestly, this was wonderful. This was so beautiful. This was so energetic. I love the feeling. I love the instrumental. I love how the stage just lit. I love the look on all the, the audience faces, especially when he was like, "Come up on stage and dance with me, y'all." I was wondering if they were really gonna let people up on that stage to dance, and yes, they did, and that was brilliant. Honestly, just involved everyone. Put a bought tickets to this show, definitely not regret it. It will be one of the best things they've ever done. This was wonderful to watch, honestly, and I really enjoyed it. I wish I was there, you know doing the birth dance. Honestly, it was good. Thank you so much for sharing this. I really enjoyed it. I really loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you did, do not hesitate to give me a big fat thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button too, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, be kind, and bye.